Hello guys, in today's tutorial I would like to show to you how the way I make this kind of effect on a text. You can see that the text is hollow color and you can see the background of your design on this text. And how do I to make it? Let's go to the tutorial. First open your Canva and then make a new project, and after that here you need to add a text. For example, I would like to type Sandman like this, and then change the font onto this font, Gulf's Display. Then click it and go back, and now you need to add a shape. Right now I'm using this shape to make that effect that you see on the first video like this, and adjust the size of the effect. Adjust the size of the shapes like this, and don't forget to adjust the size of your text because I forget to doing it at first, like this one, and after you finish doing it, now you need to change the color of the shapes into black color, and then for the text you need to change the color of the text onto white color. Make sure that this text color as same as the background color, and after that now you need to download it. Click download, and don't forget to change it into PNG file type, and then click download. And after you finish downloading it, go back to your picture, and then now go to your gallery and add the design that you already saved before. This one, click it and add to the page like this. And now this part is the most important part. You need to click the image that you already import, and then click the Magic Studio button, and then you need to click the BG remover. And when you click it, now you can see that the text is already changed color, and the color as same as the background color. You can see it like this, and as you can see, now the text has this kind of effect, and that's the way how to do it. And if you want to add a motion onto it, just click the text and then swipe left and then click animate. For example, I would like to use this wipe animate, and then click it. Now you need to decrease the speed, and you can see it. Okay, and you can see it just by now. And that's the way how to make this kind of effect on your design using Canva apps. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.